Okay, now it's the important part, the reading technique that we will use. What about it? You know that we have this table, it's the name of the letter. This is the name of this letter, it's ba, ta, tha, and so on. So these are the names. But we don't use the names in direct way while we are speaking or reading in Arabic. We use sounds. What about these sounds? We use a, u, e sounds, and you have to remember these three sounds all the time because these are the sounds that Arabic language it's based on. What about these three sounds a, u, and e? We will have a mix between one of these sounds, a or u or e, and with the letter. We will mix them together so we will have the sound that we use it in Arabic. How we will do this? For example, we have a sound. I want I I want to use it on sheen letter, for example. If we want, if we want to mix between the sound and the letter, you will take only the first part of the name of the letter, the important part. Sheen, it's ish, 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 ish part plus a sound, so it becomes sha, sha, sha. Okay, if I want oo sound and plus sheen letter, it will become shu, shu, shu. And if I want e sound plus sheen letter, I will find it she, she, she. So these three sounds, sha, shu, she, these are the only three cases or the three sounds that you will find it by Sheen in the language. You will not find anything else. Sheen will come in one of these three cases sha, shu, and she. Again, how we will mix between the sound and the letter, we will take only the first part of the name. For example, Jim letter. Jim plus a sound, it's ja, ja, ja. Plus u sound, ju, ju, ju. Plus e sound, ji, ji, ji. You will not find Jim in Arabic outside these three cases. So you must find it in ja or ju or ji. There is no fourth situation you can find jim in. That's it. This is the reading technique, and we will have another examples so it will be really clear. Let's apply the three sounds on all the letters. Before we start, Alif, it's an exception, my dear. Alif, it's an exception. The only letter that doesn't accept any sound of these, it's Alif. Alif, it has a fixed sound. We will talk about it later. Doesn't accept any of these sounds at all. It's an exception. So we will start from ba. Ba, bu, bi, taking only the first part, and I'm applying a or e sounds. Ba, bu, bi, ta, tu, ti, tha, tha, thu, thi, ja, ju, ji, ha, hu, hi, kha, khu, khi, da, du, di, dha, dhu, dhi, ra, ru, ri, za, zu, zi, sa, 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 su, si, sha, shu, shi, so, su, si, so and not sa, so, su, si, da, da, not da, da, du, di, ta, tu, ti, dha, dhu, dhi, a, عو عي. And by the way, I know most of the students will say it a o e at the first, but it needs practicing as we said. So a عو عي. The original sound it's a. So we have to move it with a o e so it becomes a عو عي. غ غ غ غ غو غي. R sound R. غ غو غي. ف فو في. ق ق ق قو قي. ك كو كي. ل لو لي. م مو مي. ن نو ني. ه هو هي. و وو وي. And ya you ye. Just to remember, Alif it's an exception, doesn't accept any sounds. It has just only one sound. We will talk about it later.